From bake sales to brand building, a community's heartbeat goes online. In today's digital age, the essence of community has found a new home on the internet. Hi there, I'm Kimberly, and I've walked a winding path to become an internet media marketer. My journey has been filled with learning, growth, and a deep connection to the people around me. My journey started in the heart of our community. It was here that I discovered my love for bringing people together. I loved organizing events, from lively bake sales to neighborhood yard sales. These events were more than just activities, they were opportunities to create lasting memories and build strong bonds. Bringing people together, seeing them connect, that was my passion. The joy and camaraderie that filled the air during these gatherings were truly magical. Those early experiences taught me the power of storytelling. I realized that every event, every interaction had a story to tell. Each bake sale had a purpose, a story that resonated with people. Whether it was supporting a local cause or simply bringing joy to the community, there was always a deeper meaning. We weren't just selling cookies, we were supporting a local family or raising funds for a new playground. These stories gave our efforts a sense of purpose and connected us on a deeper level. As our world moved increasingly online, I saw an opportunity. The digital landscape was vast and full of potential. The internet wasn't just a collection of websites, it was a vast, interconnected community waiting to be tapped into. It was a place where stories could be shared and connections could be made, regardless of physical distance. My passion for bringing people together could thrive in this digital space. I realized that the same principles of community building applied online as they did in person. That's when I realized I could channel my community building spirit into the world of internet media marketing. By leveraging the power of the internet, I could create vibrant, engaged communities that spanned the globe. What exactly does an internet media marketer do? Think of an internet media marketer as a digital storyteller and connector. We are the bridge between brands and their audiences, crafting compelling narratives that resonate. We help businesses and individuals craft their narratives and share them with the world. This involves creating engaging content, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates. We use a variety of tools and platforms, websites, social media, and email to reach the right audience with the right message at the right time. Each platform has its unique strengths and requires a tailored approach. Email campaigns, for instance, are crafted to nurture leads and build lasting relationships. It's about more than just sending messages. It's about creating meaningful interactions. It's about building relationships, not just generating clicks. We aim to foster trust and loyalty, turning casual visitors into dedicated followers. It's about understanding people's needs and desires and connecting them with valuable content and solutions. We analyze data and feedback to continuously improve our strategies. It's about creating a community around a brand or a cause. By engaging with our audience, we build a sense of belonging and advocacy that goes beyond mere transactions. Social media, the global town square for your brand. Social media platforms are the modern-day equivalent of our community centers and town squares. They are where people gather to share news, connect with friends and family, and engage in discussions. For businesses and individuals, these platforms offer an unprecedented opportunity to reach a global audience. But it's not enough to simply show up and shout your message. You need to be strategic. You need to understand the nuances of each platform. You need to create content that is engaging, informative, and shareable. Triumphs and trip-ups, turning stumbles into stepping stones. Life is a journey filled with both triumphs and trip-ups, and it's how we navigate these moments that define our path. My journey into internet media marketing hasn't always been smooth sailing. There have been moments of sheer frustration where nothing seemed to go right. There have been exhilarating highs and humbling lows. The highs make you feel invincible, while the lows bring you back to reality. I've launched successful campaigns that exceeded expectations and ones that fell flat. Each campaign taught me something new, whether it was a roaring success or a disheartening failure. One particular failure stands out. It was a campaign I believed in deeply, one that I thought would change the game. I poured my heart and soul into a social media campaign for a local business. I spent countless hours crafting the perfect strategy, convinced it would be a smash hit. I was convinced it would be a smash hit. The anticipation was palpable, and I could almost taste the success, but it barely made a ripple. I was crushed. The disappointment was overwhelming, and I questioned my abilities. But in the aftermath, I took the time to analyze what went wrong. I didn't let the failure define me. Instead, I used it as a learning opportunity. I sought feedback from mentors and peers. Their insights were invaluable, helping me see things from different perspectives. And I realized a valuable lesson. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone to it. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. That experience taught me the importance of data analysis, A/B testing, and constant learning. It reinforced the idea that every stumble is an opportunity to grow and improve. The non-traditional path to marketing mastery. You don't need a fancy degree to become a successful internet media marketer. I certainly don't have one. What you do need is passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn. The internet is a treasure trove of free and affordable resources. There are countless blogs, podcasts, online courses, and communities where you can gain valuable knowledge and connect with experienced marketers. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try new things. See what works and what doesn't. The more you learn and apply, the more confident you'll become.